Everyone who tries this chicken sandwich loves it, even kids and picky eaters. So let's make my favorite simple chicken sandwich. So you're going to start with chicken. I usually use chicken breast for this, and I like to split the chicken breast in half so it cooks faster, but you don't have to do this. Next, I'll season with just salt and black pepper. For sandwiches, I like to keep the seasoning very simple because it just tends to taste better. Season both sides generously, then transfer to the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can simply just fry this in the pan. Air fry for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on how large the chicken breast is. Then make sure you let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Resting the chicken is going to keep it really juicy and tender. After it's well rested, transfer to your food processor. You can also just shred this by hand. Transfer the shredded chicken to a bowl and then add the dressing. For the dressing, I use only mayonnaise. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a really simple sandwich, but it's so good. Next, toast your bread. I only toast for about 1 minute and 30 seconds, just until it's slightly brown. When making it for the kids, I just spread a generous amount of that chicken mayo mix, then top with lettuce, and that's it. If your kids don't like lettuce, you don't even have to add that, just the chicken and the bread is perfect. When making it for myself and for other adults, I add a few more ingredients to the sandwich. So after adding a generous amount of the chicken mayo spread, I add thinly sliced tomatoes and some pickled onions. Add a light spread of mayonnaise to the other side of the bread, and that's it. You can find the recipe for the pickled onions on my website, kikifoodies.com, as well as a detailed written recipe for this sandwich. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this recipe and if you're going to try it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video.